Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I am in Lisbon. I'm gonna show you later today a little pano of the really cool apartment that we're staying in. But I thought I would film a what I eat in a day video today because I literally got so many restaurant recommendations from you guys on Instagram that there is just like tons of amazing vegan food here. So I wanted to share where we're going. I'm first gonna try to find some gluten-free and dairy-free, shoot, what are they called? Pastéis de nata? I probably pronounced that wrong, but they're the little like classic pastries that Portugal is really famous for. And then we're gonna hit the Time Out Market. We're gonna go to the LX factory and do a ton of exploring and trying tons of food. So I'm gonna bring you along for the day and let's get going. All right, so I thought I would just show you quickly. I have this all in a notes and I will put this in a blog post for you guys, but this is all of the recommendations that you guys gave me. So I'm going to copy these and send them to myself so I can explore, and definitely gonna go here, definitely gonna go there, definitely gonna go here. First stop is Zarzuela, and you can see they have all of those things on the side, and I'm hoping that they have the pastéis de nata. See? Yay! Here is the vegan gluten-free, and then they also had vegan and gluten-free croissants. We got the chocolate one, and it looks so good. Alright, probably pretty loud in here, but here's what it looks like. Oh no, you have to focus. So it's basically like custardy, and then it has a kind of pie crust type thing on the outside. That's so good. Huh? On to the next. That was great. That was actually one of the first, actually I think might be the only vegan and gluten-free croissant I've ever tried. Definitely not as light as other croissants, but still really yummy. And the pastel de nata was also very good. I think that the egg version is probably a little bit lighter as well, but still good little treat that you can try if you come to Lisbon. Not super veg friendly here, so we are going to, Matt's gonna get something small, and then we're gonna go to the LX factory, which I know does have a vegan place, so that's what we're gonna do, but it's still really cool. And if you are traveling with people that do meat or fish or things like that, then I would say that. So this place is kind of a blend between art and food, and it's like a walking market with a ton of different buildings, and we're gonna explore a little bit. I heard about a really good vegan option place here, so we're gonna get some food and hopefully also find some cute, cool Christmas presents. So we settled in a place called The Therapist, and they have a ton of vegan and gluten-free options, but they also have non-plant-based options, which is perfect for us. And they also have a whole brunch menu with vegan and gluten-free pancakes. They have matcha, they have reishi chai, they have golden milk lattes, wine, beer. This is like the perfect place. I went with the matcha. Looks pretty good. So I went with two things. I did a bowl with rice, lentils, baked pumpkin, arugula, salad, and then I also got chocolate pancakes. I got the turmeric pancakes actually that have blueberries, coconut, and a turmeric sauce, and that will be dessert. So unfortunately it is now raining and we're still gonna walk around, but we might end up having to go to a grocery store and cooking tonight, but we'll see. Hopefully it, I don't know, stops, but it's like pouring. So we just got back. We decided to kind of come back here because it's been cold and rainy and I have to do a little bit of work. So I thought I would show you what the apartment looks like, and then I thought I'd show you what we got at the grocery store. So I'm going to flip you around, give you a quick tour, then do a grocery unboxing, and we are going to cook dinner tonight. So I'll show you what we're gonna make. So you walk in this way and it's a really large living space. Kitchen over there, washer dryer over there, and then on this side is the bedroom and the bathroom. So bathroom looks like this, standard bathroom. Bedroom looks like this, standard bedroom. But this living space is awesome, and then the kitchen is so cool. Here's our groceries, but it's a very like obviously open concept, and stove, everything you need. And it also has a bar right there, which I work at, or I'm going to be working at. Tons of cabinet space, and it's really cute. You're balanced very precariously. So I'm also cut off, but let me just show you what we're making. So we're gonna do a big salad tonight, and we got a bunch of organic vegetables, pepper, cucumber, cream for coffee, carrot, tomatoes, a pepper, a little shallot for our dressing. I got this gluten-free beer from the Czech Republic. It's organic and it's called Celia, so I'm excited to try that. I like trying new gluten-free beers. Basil tofu, which is really awesome. I had this in Italy and it tastes so good. I'm gonna put this on a sandwich for tomorrow. We're going to Sintra, so I'm going to use that as my protein for my sandwich. Got some pesto, which you'll see why in a second. Got some more honey for my face wash. I got some coconut yogurt, which I'm going to be using for breakfast tomorrow morning, making a little chia pudding. And then Matt got some chicken for his dinner. And then the other bag, chickpea pasta. So my protein of choice tonight is going to be chickpea pasta and vegan pesto. We got some organic rosemary chips. Got some vegan sliced cheese for sandwiches and snacks, appetizers. Have our water bottles from earlier today. Got some of these little like rice cake things for chips and hummus and vegan cheese and tomato. I also got some more non-toxic shampoo. Since I am going to be not flying for the next 2 weeks, it's good to buy these at like the natural grocery stores so that I can use non-toxic products on my skin and my hair. Got almond milk, favorite almond milk of all time, Root Health, so good, wish we had it in the States. Lemons, chia seeds for breakfast tomorrow. And my favorite gluten-free bread is this Char gluten-free bread. It's like sourdough, it makes the best sandwiches. So I'm going to make a sandwich for tomorrow, like I said. And yeah, dinner's gonna be salad and pesto pasta. Easy peasy. So first I tried the gluten-free beer and it was actually surprisingly good. I liked it a lot. I've seen this in a few different countries, so if you live in Europe, definitely keep an eye out for it. And then for dinner, like I said, super simple. Started by chopping up some of the veggies. I made the cucumber and the carrot and the red pepper for our salad. And then the dressing Matt made, and it was lemon, olive oil, shallots, salt, pepper, and I think a splash of vinegar. I can't quite remember, but It's our standard salad dressing, and it's so good. And then I just cooked my chickpea pasta. You guys know how to cook pasta, added it into the boiling water, blah, blah, blah. I also decided that I wanted to have a little bit of extra protein, so I cut up the basil tofu, some of it, and decided to add that in since I was using pesto. Basil tofu, pesto, they go hand in hand. So once the pasta was cooked, I drained it into the sink. I did not give it a rinse because this seemed pretty sturdy and it didn't feel like it needed a rinse. So I just added it right back into the pot. And then I added in the jar of vegan pesto and my tofu, gave everything a stir, and that was my dinner. Pasta and salad, so simple, but so delicious. You're getting in fiber, protein, healthy fats, basically everything you need in a balanced meal, as well as veggies. So yeah, that seems to be a go-to meal when we're traveling. I did not film an outro for this video, I forgot, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be sharing a Lisbon guide on the site very soon with all of these restaurants and all of the recommendations that you guys shared, so keep an eye out for that. I'll put it in the description box. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!